She's special and she reckless. Ombre, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it.
Hey faithfuls, welcome back to my channel. This video is sponsored by IC Hair, and these are all the goodies that is going to come with your package. I love it when the vendors are giving.
Always on top, oh yeah, like how you do it, alright. Everything good, alright, like how you think, alright.
So this is their 13x4 lace front kinky straight unit in 20 inches. And this is their natural density, which equates to about 180%.
She know she bad, better than bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side. Everything is green over here. Oh, yeah. Everything you want and think about. No, I got your back all the way. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright.
Okay, so this is what it looked like after I bleached the knots and plucked it. I initially planned on just wearing it straight and kind of like in a blunt cut, but I think I'm gonna curl it. It's like I want the curls, but I don't want the work that goes along with it, but why not? Come on, let's go. So before I decide to add the wand curls, I did want to go over the unit and straighten it a little bit just to remove a little bit of the kinks. However, I didn't want to make it too straight because I did want to preserve its natural texture. Then I took my wand curl and I just started curling. Now sis, if you decide to curl your unit, just know that this is going to be a process. This is not a one and done. So when I was finished, I did go in with my Faithfully Asia Beauty wax stick and I flattened down the top and the sides. And as you guys can see, I created a deep side part on this unit. Let's go ahead and cut the lace and get ready to install this beauty. I'm gonna lay this unit using my Bold Hold Liquid Gold, and I'm gonna put a nice layer. I like to just do like little circles. You don't want to put too much, but you want to put enough to attach to the lace. I'll take my blow dryer, put it on a cool setting, and just lightly blow dry it until it gets tacky.
Always on top, oh yeah, like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, like how you think alright.
Then I'm just going in using the rat tail of my comb to get the lace to melt in with my skin.
Wake you up in the morning, I wanna be the one that you calling. 'Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you, love best friend and be family.
I'm gonna go on top of the edges with my Even New York Wonder lace spray. This is just to get any little pieces that the Bold Hold may have missed.
And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning.
Put on an elastic band just for a little bit to lay this down.
In the future with me, I wanna meet you.
I added the foundation powder back to my forehead. And this part really don't come, not supposed to come that deep. I kind of put my wig a little too far over, but I'm not mad at it because I do like a deep side part. Okay, dolls, so this is the final look. These curls are so pretty and I love it with this texture. It gives a very natural appearance. Oops, wait, almost forgot to add the powder to the parting space. And for some finishing touch, I'm going to go in with my concealer and deepen up that parting space to remove the line of demarcation caused by the wig cap. And I'm going to add a little bit of sheen. Okay, dolls, so I'm finally done. These curls took forever, so just trust. This is not a quick, easy hairstyle. You're gonna take some time putting these curls in, but I think it's worth it. I think it looks so pretty. It looks very natural, especially because of the texture. It's just beautiful. It's really, really nice. I'm not usually a fan of kinky straight hair. I know everybody loves it, but I don't because it's too much maintenance. But yeah, this is pretty. This is really pretty. And I will say that their hair is very soft. Now, I was surprised that the parting space was so small. Y'all know I'm used to my 6 inches. But as you see, you can still finesse it. It doesn't look bad the way I have the parting. You know, since I wanted to slip it to the side, I did put it over a little bit more just to give me more of a deeper parting space, which is also an option. Of course, the middle part you can't go wrong with unless you're me, who don't look good with middle parts and have to be team side parts. But other than that, I didn't have any issues with this hair. It's very pretty. It's very soft, as I mentioned. What are the specs for this unit? I don't even know. I'm gonna assume it's a 20-inch. I'll have it across the screen. I'm gonna go ahead and put it across the screen for you guys. And as always, it's gonna be in the description box down below, as well as the purchase links if you are interested in purchasing this unit. But dolls, y'all already know the drill. Before y'all try to get out of here, I'm gonna need y'all help naming this unit. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and be sure to follow my lifestyle channel, Being Faithfully Asia, where I do home decor, vlog, and all that other good stuff. Basically everything else outside of hair. I'll have that linked up top and in the description box down below. And if you're not part of the Faithful fam, make sure you hit that subscribe button on your way out. It is always important. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.